Hey guys, it's me, Bebo, and my best friend Buggy is here too.
Hello!
We're at the Big Cat Habitat in Sarasota, Florida, where they have lions, tigers, bears, and more. And we have a special close encounter for you. We're gonna go see a sloth. Come on inside and let's go learn about all these cool creatures. Let's go, Buggy.
Okay. This guy behind us is a bear. There are 8 different species of bears, and they live all over the planet.
Wow.
Yeah, like polar bears in the Arctic and giant pandas in China.
Yep, and bears are known as omnivores, and that means that they eat, well, whatever they can find. Bears will eat berries and plants, and sometimes they'll even eat other animals too. But don't be sad, because that's all a part of nature.
They eat whatever they can find because they're very big and need to eat lots of food. In fact, polar bears are the largest meat-eating mammal on the planet today.
Yep.
Even bigger than lions and tigers.
Wow.
Let's go check out some other exhibits, Bebo.
Okay, after you, Buggy.
All right.
These guys here are called tortoises.
Notice how he didn't call them turtles? That's because there's a big difference. Turtles are aquatic and like to be near water, like sea turtles or snapping turtles, while tortoises can't swim at all. They spend their entire lives on land and have much more rigid scales if you look up close.
Like down here.
Yeah,
Do you see how big these tortoises are? They come in all shapes and sizes, being as small as a golf ball when they're born, and growing to be over 900 pounds.
not only do they get very big, but they live for a very long time.
Yep,
We actually still don't know how long they live because we haven't been recording long enough to know.
look over there, guys. I think I see a lemur exhibit. Let's go check that out.
All right,
After you, Buggy.
okay. These are lemurs, and the only place that you'll find them in the wild is on the island of Madagascar.
Yep, and if you watch them walk on the ground in reverse, they look like dinosaurs.
I think it's time to go to the next exhibit, Bebo.
Hey guys, this is Danielle, and she is the handler for Stella, the two-toed sloth. Can you tell us a little bit about Stella, like where she lives and what she eats?
Sure. So Stella is an animal ambassador from Big Cat Habitat and Gulf Coast Sanctuary in Sarasota, Florida. She loves eating her favorite thing, sweet potato, and raw.
I love sweet potatoes too, Stella. Wow. Where would you normally find a two-toed sloth living in the wild?
Two-toed sloths exist in the wild, Central America, the tip of South America.
Wow. Stella's an animal ambassador, and that means she helps raise awareness about how important it is for all of us to do our parts to take care of the earth, so animals like Stella always have a home to live. So make sure you do your part too.
lions behind us.
Yeah.
There's a male and a female. And males can have a mane around their neck when females do not.
That's right. And lions live in what's known as a pride. Prides have the one male lion that protects the pride and keeps everyone safe, and the rest is made up of the female lions. And they do almost all of the hunting and taking care of the cubs in the pride.
A pride can have as many as 25 lions. Imagine having that many big guys running around.
And these are big cats, but there are even bigger cats in the world. Let's go check some of them out right here at the big cat habitat.
Yeah.
Let's go. These are tigers. Tigers live in Asia, and a tiger can get to be up to 670 pounds. That's huge. And can you see what color their stripes are? That's right. They're orange, kind of like Buggy's hair and stripes, and black.
Those stripes are used to help the tiger blend so he can sneak around the forest.
Tigers are ambush hunters, which means they have to be able to hide even when they're moving.
They're also what's called an endangered species, so we have to do our part and make sure we help protect them.
All endangered species can come back, but we have to make sure they have a chance. Let's go check out another rare specimen they have here called a liger. Come on, Buggy, let's go.
All right. All right, behind us is a liger. It's a mix between a lion and a tiger.
And ligers are one of the biggest cats on the planet. Brutus here almost weighs 1,000 pounds. That's huge. And ligers can not only communicate with other ligers, but they can communicate with tigers and lions too. So they're trilingual. And they've got 2 of them here at the Big Cat Habitat in Sarasota, Florida. Let's go check out a couple more things before we leave. Come on. Buggy, they've got a petting zoo here. Let's go hang out with some goats.
Yeah.
Come on. This is called an emu. They're a flightless bird just like an ostrich, even though they have all these feathers. But they run really fast. Check out those legs.